Hello and welcome to the Edu Leaders Show on the Edu Bulletin, where we bring you the latest insights and trends from the world of education. I'm Daisy, and I'm excited to guide you through this episode. We have an esteemed guest joining us, Mrinal Shah, founder and chief play promoter at Sunday Bricks, explained that Sunday Bricks promotes learning through play by providing building blocks, curriculum, and teacher training to set up brick labs in schools, focusing on pre-primary to primary levels. Now, let's move directly into our interview. Over to you, Rumani. Let's hear what Sir had to say.
So good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. We have with us a very special guest, and he is Mr. Mrinal Shah, Chief Play Promoter from Sunday Bricks. So welcome to the summit, sir. How's your experience being here?
Well, it's wonderful, and it's for us like our first time participation in an edu fair in Pune.
Right.
Excited about it, and happy to bring in our services and products to the schools at Pune.
That's great. And so first of all, tell our viewers about what is Sunday Bricks and what all you do.
So Sunday Bricks, as an organization, we believe in the power of play.
Okay.
And we have a simple agenda to make sure that building blocks are available for children, at least from pre-primary until primary. So we're really harnessing on the power of play. So we bring in a curriculum, we bring in teacher training and material that you really need to set up a big lab.
Right. Okay, that's great. So what are the schools you are covering and which like you are spreading pan India or say particular location you are targeting at?
Based out of Mumbai, but we're really looking at schools across India.
Right.
I mean, children are across India. Building blocks can also be used across India. So there's really no limit to which we can.
Absolutely.
But the whole idea is to really talk about the value of play, and building blocks are, I think, the simplest manipulative that you can really use to bring that happening. And there's so many skills that you can really develop when it comes to building blocks. And every child is familiar with it, right? I mean, mostly we've seen children they end up building like towers with building blocks when it's given to them as a free play.
Right.
But you can really build up on a lot of skills out of play and building blocks.
Absolutely. My 3-year-old kid is like, if I give him blocks, he's like playing for hours. So I can totally relate to what you're saying. So what kind of schools, the number of schools have you reached and how have it's impacted their, overall learning skills?
So we've trained more than 3,000 teachers across India on multiple brick and block or programs, and about 40 schools. If I have to really get that number, like 40 schools that we work with. Yeah,
that's great to hear, and I'm sure there will be, a number of schools will be looking at you and getting you on board, and it's a very innovative, piece of thing. That's great. So, what are your thoughts on partnership with Time to Grow Media and how you see the future with it?
Well, I'm very happy, and the team has been very prompt in all the discussions that we've had. Every message on WhatsApp is replied immediately. I think that's where it really shows that you are committed to every client, and whatever was promised has been delivered. So yeah, it's good. We hope that we participate in the future events as well.
Absolutely, sir. We are looking forward to it. Thank you so much. And I'm sure it must have resonated with you, the schools who are looking to get their, children some other set of skills. So please reach out to him. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for joining us for this enlightening discussion. We hope you found it as insightful and inspiring as we did. Save the number 72170701000 and send "Hi" on WhatsApp to receive daily educational news updates and inspiring interviews from the Edu Bulletin.